Do you know what a knock sensor is and how to identify if it's going bad? Welcome to our channel where we dive into the nuts and bolts of car mechanics, helping you understand your vehicle better. Today, we're peeling back the layers on knock sensors. You might ask, what is a knock sensor? It's a vital component of your cars that listens for any knocking or pinging noises, which are often signs of premature detonation of the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. These sounds can eventually lead to significant problems for your engine. So how does a knock sensor function? It's actually quite clever. It detects these irregular vibrations and sends a signal to the engine control module or ECM. The ECM then adjusts the ignition timing and the fuel-to-air ratio to avert potential damage. Now that we've uncovered what a knock sensor is, let's explore the symptoms of a faulty one. Don't forget to subscribe to Honest Mechanic Colorado for more car maintenance tips and tricks. A bad knock sensor can present several key symptoms. Let's go through the first four. First off, an illuminated check engine light is often a clear sign of a failing knock sensor. This warning light is a direct message from your car's computer system, signaling that there could be a potential issue. To confirm whether it's the knock sensor causing this, you will need an OBD-II scanner to reveal specific trouble codes related to the sensor. Next, we have poor fuel economy. When your knock sensor isn't working up to par, it could lead to your car guzzling down fuel more than usual. This happens because the engine control module, or ECM, can't properly optimize the air-fuel mixture and the ignition timing. This inefficiency results in more frequent trips to the gas station than you'd normally have to make. The third symptom is reduced engine performance. A faulty knock sensor can result in a noticeable drop in your vehicle's power output. You might experience a loss of power, hesitation during acceleration, or a rough idle. These issues arise because the ECM can't make precise adjustments to the engine's operation. Lastly, a malfunctioning knock sensor can lead to increased emissions. This is due to incomplete combustion, a direct consequence of the ECM's inability to regulate the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing properly. But that's not all. There are more symptoms to be aware of. Continuing from where we left off, here are the remaining symptoms of a bad knock sensor. The fifth sign to look out for is engine knocking or pinging sounds. Without a working knock sensor, the engine control module can't adjust ignition timing to prevent these noises, which are usually more noticeable when accelerating or when the engine is under load. The sixth symptom is a failed emissions test. A faulty knock sensor can increase the amount of pollutants your car releases due to incomplete combustion, making it more likely for your vehicle to fail an emissions test. Finally, error codes and OBD-II scanner readings can also indicate a bad knock sensor. Common trouble codes include P0325 and P0330. An OBD-II scanner is crucial in diagnosing a bad knock sensor, helping mechanics pinpoint and fix the issue. By recognizing these symptoms, you can ensure the health and efficiency of your vehicle's engine. So, those are the 7 symptoms of a bad knock sensor. From an illuminated check engine light to increased emissions and even failed emissions tests, these symptoms serve as a warning. A knock sensor is more than just a component. It's a guardian of your engine, detecting irregularities and preventing potential damage. Do not dismiss these signs because prompt action can save your engine from serious trouble. Remember, timely professional assistance can save your engine from potential damage. Stay safe and keep your engine healthy.